Thank you.
Honorable Shri E. Ahmed, Ambassador Sudhir Devre, esteemed delegates from 9 countries, and dear colleagues and friends. The 7 thematic sessions that we had over the 2 days all underlined the imperative for regional responses and cooperation rather than competition. Pressures, we all agreed, are likely to rise sharply due to the impact of climate change, pandemics, natural disasters, diminishing availability of food and water, and mounting crunch on energy and scarce resources. Therefore, political leadership requires more than ever before thinking about the interconnections and the trade-offs that are involved between short-term local policy choices and long-term strategic goals. We all agreed that the core issues must also be addressed with urgency, as neighbors will always be neighbors. The longer we take time to resolve our differences, the higher will be the costs that South Asia as a whole will bear. It is often said that while South Asia is prospering, South Asians are not. And I think that came out very candidly in some of the presentations and as well. Introspection and an acceptance of this will show us the way forward in a very uncertain global environment. There is, of course, an Aman Ki Asha and Maitri Bandhan. Then why not dispel the darkness of mistrust and replace this with the palette of friendship, amity, and harmony? We are all equals, and as Shakespeare had once said, don't walk in front of me, I may not follow. Don't walk behind me, because I may not lead. Just walk beside me and be my friend. We are very grateful today to Honorable Shri E. Ahmed for his valedictory address, which has been replete with messages of goodwill and compassionate understanding of each other and our unique compulsions. Your being with us, sir, has given us immense pleasure. In fact, I amade tubaye se abadiye ma. Thank you so much for being with us. We are very grateful to Sudhir Devre ji, Director General ICWA, whose being here has seen in the last 3 years innumerable such conferences and really a whole transformation of India's foreign policy. His dynamic leadership, his kind and compassionate understanding and disposition really leaves each one touched, whoever comes in contact with him. We are very grateful to Mr. Chakravarti, DDG ICWA, for the firefighting, for the visas, for all the time being with us, for all the last minute hitches. Thank you very much. Director Research and his team of Dr. Zakir Hussain and others, we really have no words to thank them because they worked long hours and tirelessly. The admin team, Mr. Sharma, Mr. Chetan, Mr. Batra, our rapporteurs, the media has been so really forthright, and they've really been interested in South Asia this time. I think really, thanks so much to the media because, South Asia really needs the right kind of media coverage, which we have been lacking for some time. So we are very, very grateful to all our delegates from all the countries who have come here. In fact, we have a large delegation from Karachi Council of Foreign Relations. We have 4 delegates from Afghanistan. We have 2 delegates from Maldives, 1 from Myanmar, and 5 from Nepal, from Bhutan. We have Leon Kodago sharing Delhi is your home, sir. And of course, Bangladesh, wonderful, and Sri Lanka. So really, we have had the best of intellectual capabilities interacting. And just a short verse to which I will translate. घूमे रहा रहीने सितम हाय रोजगार, लेकिन तेरे ख्याल से गाफिल नहीं रहा, no matter what the worldly works have kept me busy with, your thoughts will always be with us. Please do keep coming back and do hold our hands as we go along. Thank you very much.
At the end of the program, I would like to wish our delegates who have come from other countries Godspeed and safe journey. And to all our friends from India, do come to Sapro House again and again. Thank you very much.
Ambassador.